Hello friends, my name is Sumit Kumar. I am a financial advisor in a leading market. Right now I'm working as a business partner with a leading company named Anand Rathi Shares and Stockbrokers Limited. I have started this business from last 7 to 8 years and we have been doing good with 71 clients with me right now. And we are hopeful that we will increase more by sharing the ideas and getting people to earn profit in this market because we are here to make money and not to lose our clients. So we'll further discuss on the things what will happen on Monday or how will the markets behave on Monday. Let's see the levels for the Nifty and then we can see what can be done, what trades can be done on depending on the levels and all. So I will start my thing with Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is almost at a good level, but if it opens 20.5 points up and it opens above 17,000, suppose 370 or 375, then it can go beyond 17,500. Or if it loses, then 250 will be a crucial support for Nifty 50. So depending on the levels you can trade. So wait, if there's a gap up in the market on Monday of 20-25 points, then only purchase Nifty for a target level of 17,500. And if it goes down, then 250 will be a crucial support. So be cautious and trade accordingly. Next thing, what I would like to discuss with you guys is about Vedanta. Vedanta, we have been seeing it from last so many years. It's a good company. It is performing well. There are lots of investment the promoters are doing in the company. It has brought things into notice. Latestly, Maharashtra government has also asked this. The person Agarwal has been provided 20,000 crores, I think so. The government is providing for setting up some LCD plants in Maharashtra. So the company is good. The output would increase in future. The company will rise in future. We will discuss technical because we are more concerned about intraday targets and making profits on those. So Vedanta is almost above your 20 and 50 day moving average. So if it is break the level of 342, 343, it may go beyond that 350, 356 levels. So you can buy at this level only whenever it opens above 342 or 43. You can buy on this and make a buy and then have a target of 350, or you can increase the target depending on the volume of the intraday volumes. I'll be also there in the live market. We will be doing trades on this. So let's better see what are the levels that it can achieve. But the stock has given a good breakout, and I think it will perform well on Monday market. Vedanta is not a bad company to play, but intraday moves are very good in this company. So it has almost at a very crucial support level. So you can buy on this on Monday and have a target of 350 and above. Next, what we have seen Tata Motors. Tata Motors sales are very good. It's almost 26% of nearly 2 lakh vehicles have been sold. Extra vehicles have been sold in this last quarter or so. 50% year on year growth in passenger vehicles is seen in Tata Motors, and December sales are highest in the decade as we have seen the update on first. Tata Motors has also beaten Hyundai and has become the second largest car manufacturer, second largest car manufacturer or car maker in December 2021. So all the data suggest and the levels, this stock is also almost near about 20 and 50 day moving average. And if I can see, it will have a good breakout and it can go beyond 500, 515 levels if the stock sustains 480. This is a very crucial support for this stock. It has also broken 20 and 50 day moving average, and I still find this stock has a lot of potential to go up upside. So it will be a good intraday trade on Monday. So please watch Tata Motors on Monday, including things, other things what you will do in the market. So I'll conclude this by saying that people, those who are interested or those who find that things are profitable and I can help those guys in cash, FNO, PMS, in currency market, and people find that okay, they need help in this all segments. So they can contact me on the given number and the mail ID. So I will get back to those guys whenever needed. And the next video will be uploaded regarding the live trading session what I do on Monday tomorrow, and we'll share good ideas tomorrow also. So hope friends see you tomorrow with the same video, the different video or a new idea what comes in the mind. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.